Kusenjalo iNkulumbuso yaseRhawutini uPanyaza Lisufi ugxeka ukunqongophala kwezikolo kwiindawo zoluntu elumkisa ukuba umgama omde wokuhamba ubeka abafundi emngciphekweni. uLisufi bethetha izolo kwinkonzo yomngcwabo edibeneyo yabafundi abathathu abasweleke kwingozi yaseVanderbilt Park. OkaLisufi uhlaba ikhwelo lokuba kwakhiwe izikolo kufutshane nalapho abafundi bahlala khona.
We come here hurt. We come here disappointed. We come here disturbed. We come here limping and our emotions drained. Since the passing of our beloved children, our lives have never been the same. Since the passing, our country remains in mourning. As we gather here to bid them farewell, we are determined to fix what needs to be fixed. I'm aware many of us are inclined to enter the transport system and request us to fix that system. I'm not against that inclination, but my view is very simple. If we fail to fix our classrooms, these children would have left our communities to look for a better education somewhere. We need to be free. We need to be frank with ourselves. We need to be real with ourselves. And we need to examine our thoughts. We can't have a situation, Deputy Minister of Transport, where a road to school must lead our children to graveyards. We can't have a situation where instead of today giving our children graduation certificates, we're giving them death certificate.